beauties, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the Ipsy Glam Bag Spoilers. We have a bunch of them and some that haven't been leaked yet. So if anybody's wondering what Ipsy Glam Bag is, it's a $10 a month subscription that you receive 5 deluxe beauty samples plus a cute cosmetics bag to tuck them all inside. So, and all these products are based on your beauty profile. So if you're interested in seeing what these spoilers are, stay tuned. But first, I want to mention our giveaway for the rest of March. It starts from this video to the end of March. And I will be giving away 2 products from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Spring Launch. It's the Riviera Palette and the Dewy Setting Spray. The palette is gorgeous. You can do so many spring and summer looks with this. It'll be all you need. And the Dewy Setting Spray smells wonderful. It's a mix of vanilla and coconut. It is the best dewy setting spray I have ever used, and the smell is the best of any setting spray. So if you're interested in this, I have all the rules and regulations below, but please remember you have to have your subscription set to public. If I can't go to your channel and verify that my channel is under your subscriptions, you will be disqualified, and I hate to do that. So how it works, I have TubeBuddy. And with TubeBuddy, you get a random picker. So it goes to each video and it randomly picks one comment. Then I group those together and one comment is picked as the winner. Then this winner is verified. So when I go to your channel, I should be able to look through your subscriptions and see Kendy Jane Beauty under your subscriptions because you're set to public. And that's how it will be verified. If you're set to public, I should be there. Now, if you can't be set to public for some personal reasons, email me and we will discuss it. So, let's get on with those spoilers, but first let's talk about the cosmetics bag. The cosmetics bag has a cute lemon print on it. This is similar but not as cute as the real one. It has like a yellow, bright yellow zipper in the front side of it instead of on the top. I can't show you the actual one because my subscription addiction has it on her site watermarked. It was only leaked to her. Let's get on with these spoilers. Our first spoiler is by Tarte. It's the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. And this primer will extend the wear of your foundation as well as keeping your skin hydrated for 12 hours. It's got a coconut scent and it's got jojoba and grapeseed extract that helps keep your skin moisturized. Second, APCO Skincare brings us a Nourishing Mask with blue spirulina. Blue spirulina is a blue algae that is a skin superfood. This mask will give your skin an extra dose of hydration to prevent dryness and tightness of the skin. It also has squalene, which helps the elasticity of your skin. Our third spoiler is from Moroccan Magic. It's the organic lip balm with peppermint eucalyptus. It's got argan oil, it's USDA organic, and it's silky smooth, and it's an ultra hydrating lip balm. Number 4 is from Boxycharm Cosmetics. It's the Lash Volumizing Mascara. This healthy formulation packs major impact, and it includes rich color, texture, and performance. And I've tried this Boxycharm Cosmetics Volumizing Lash Mascara, and I really like that one. Spoiler number 5 is from the brand Feel. It's the bright rosehip seed and avocado facial oil with squalene. This is a luxurious combination of plant-derived squalene and the luxurious rosehip and avocado oils to visibly brighten and firm your skin. Number 6 is from Tony Moly. It's the Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser. It's for all skin types, including sensitive. This cleanser is a mild cleanser for your face. It will not cause irritation. It's loaded with nutritious ingredients such as peach extract and olive oil, which are very mild and gentle. Number 7 is from the Balm Cosmetics, the Bonjour in Salut. This lip stain will up your gloss game. It's a perfect mix of stain and gloss. Starts with a gloss, then it finishes as a stain. It delivers the highest pigment payoff of a lipstick. Number 8 is from Sugar Cosmetics, Coal of Honor Intense Cajole. This cajole will give you dramatic and exotic eye looks. It's an extreme wear pencil. It's waterproof, smudge proof. It'll wear for up to 12 hours. And it's easy to use. It's got an easy to use twist up applicator. Number 9 is by Delectable by Cake Beauty. It's the Triple Citrus Blend Body Butter Cream. This best body butter is used to hydrate and moisturize the ultra dehydrated skin. This is what I need here. And this cream will smooth out flaky skin. It's rich in antioxidants, and it also includes a trio of essential oils. Our 10th spoiler is from Nomad Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow in the shade of Champagne Reef. The term nomad means a person who does not stay long in one place. So her palettes represent many different places around the world. And this particular shade comes from a palette called Antilles. And this is the entire palette that this shade comes from. And this palette came about as she was island hopping through the Caribbean. And the Champagne Reef shade is a golden shimmer. And this palette and the shades in this palette are 4 times finer pigments for a buttery feel and an intense color payoff. It's infused with coconut oil to hydrate and condition the skin. I thought that was so interesting how their brand came about. And some of the palettes in the Nomad brand come from New York City, Stockholm, Marrakesh, Havana. But this Antilles palette is very nice, as you can see here. Number 11 is from Billion Dollar Brushes, and it's a fan brush. These brushes have been on Ipsy before. If you've been with Ipsy long, you've seen one of the Billion Dollar brushes. These brushes are all infused with charcoal, which has an antibacterial property that prevents bacteria from building up on the brushes. Our 12th spoiler is from Laura Sanchez's Mood eyeshadow palette. Ipsy is giving us the shadow Rose Gold Woman. And this palette is an 8-pan palette with 2 highlighters. And the color that we're going to receive, if you get this variation, is Rose Gold. As you can see, it's a beautiful shade of pink, and it's got gold flecks in it. Now, it's going to be just the single eyeshadow, and the cover, it looks similar to the larger palette's cover, so this is going to be beautiful. Number 13 is from the brand Answer From. It's a Luminous Eye Cream. This eye cream is infused with collagen to hydrate, energize, and brighten your under eye area. And after you apply this, you follow up with a brightener or a concealer. Number 14. Now I'm gonna have trouble pronouncing this one. It's Mapa Face Cleanser. And this is a very interesting brand. I'm learning so much about these brands doing all this research. And this is a face cleanser that has aloe juice, witch hazel, flower water. Yes, that's right. It has aloe juice and witch hazel flower water. This cleanser gives you a cleansed, revitalized effect. The key ingredients are argan oil, rosemary oil, and jojoba oil. Now, what's very interesting on their site They have a big old map, and like if you want to know the effects of a certain ingredient, here is my example. It's argan oil. It'll tell you where they get this and what it does, and you know, it's very interesting. And this argan oil comes from the argan tree. The nut of the argan tree has been used for centuries across Morocco to moisturize hair. So I thought that was very interesting to see what the ingredients do and where they came from. Spoiler number 15 comes from Kerry Cosmetics. It's a cream pigment eyeshadow in the shade Mulberry. You can wear alone as a cream eyeshadow, or you can wear it under a powder eyeshadow for a long-lasting, intense color. And this shade is beautiful. To intensify the color, I like to use it on my lid when I do a smoky eye. Now, number 16 is from a brand I'm personally familiar with because we received an item in another subscription box from Seraphim Botanicals. So our number 16 spoiler is from Seraphim Botanicals. It's the Boxy Plus Juice 100% Vegan Lip Gel in Rose Currant. It's 100% vegan lip gel that delivers the plumped up benefits of a tinted gloss. The formula is infused with shea butter, soybean, safflower, and sunflower seed oils, as well as blackberry and raspberry. Wow. Now I have this Seraphim Botanicals lip scrub, and it is one of my favorites. Hope you enjoyed my sneak peeks and spoilers. And remember, for my giveaway, I would like you to place a number between 500 and 3,000 at the end of your comment. Remember, I give these little sneak peeks to make sure you're watching the entire video. So thank you all for watching. Remember to share my video if you can. It would really help me out. And subscribe. Make sure your subscription is set to public. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. It could really help my YouTube channel out. Until I see you guys again, bye guys.